Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, welcome to the channel. This is a little tidbit of a hint and a hack that Julie and I have come up with for keeping items that go in these containers here in your refrigerator, these little slide trays, from going everywhere. We have got some wine that we want to keep cold, but on travel days, when we get to where we're going, we have to be very careful that we do not let the wine fall out of the refrigerator when we open the door, because it has slid out of our little trays and all over the front of the refrigerator because we don't have much in the refrigerator yet. So what we're using is this easy liner. It's a, you can see how it's got a little bit of yeah, Julie says it's a waffle, but it's kind of textured surface, and it's, I don't know if I can get the camera to focus here. Probably not, because of the distance it is to the desktop and everything. You can see kind of how thick it is there. It's maybe a 1/16 of an inch thick, but it's fairly smooth but sticky, as it were, on one side. It's not sticky like in tape, but just kind of anti-slide type sticky. And on the other side, it really has these little waffles that come up. That's the side that you want your items to be on. And what we did is we just cut one piece of it wide enough here for two of our racks, our bottle racks, to sit on, and have a little bit off on each side. And then we're cutting another couple of pieces, and as you can see, I've got this one cut in half. I cut them like this, and then we cut that in half to put down inside of the holder itself, and the wine bottle should set on that and not slide, or at least not slide as much. We're hoping that it keeps it from sliding and causing it to letting it slide out and so forth. So here I'm just going to be cutting it. And this stuff also is really easy to cut, because all you got to do is follow the lines. With this one here, once I find my line where I cut it again, right there it is. And so you just take, and unfortunately I can't hold my camera and cut this very well one-handed, but we got it here. We just take and cut, and it is going to cut right across this line. Julie, if you could hold that down for me, please. There we go. That's good. And we just follow the little perforations, as it were, and it cuts a perfectly straight line. You don't have to worry about it. We've got 4 of these holders, and they just stack on top of each other. And so at that point, we can put 4 bottles of wine in the refrigerator and have it stay put, where we should not be having to worry about it falling out and sliding all over the refrigerator now. So let's go ahead and try this. Bring it over here to the refrigerator. Open this door. We love our residential refrigerator in our rig. It is super nice because we don't have to worry about the propane and all that, or any of that kind of thing. It just stays on when we're plugged into power, or when we've got good power hooked up to keep our batteries charged. It works off the inverter. But as you can see, we're just going to lay this on the refrigerator shelf and set the trays on it. And then we're going to set our wine bottles in it and see how they work. Wine bottles are back here. Yes, you do. Oopsie. She's having a little bit of a problem. Okay, here you go. And as you can see, it just sets right in. And everything. Now, is that sticky in there, as it were? Is it going to keep it from sliding very much? Oh, good. She can't pull it out without having hassle, so that's good. We've got a couple of different flavors that we like. And there we go. That's our 4 favorite Stella Rosas. And that is how we're going to keep it from sliding around and making a mess in the refrigerator, and possibly on the floor when we open the door and the wine bottles decide they want to go everywhere. So yeah. That's today's little tip and hint for making sure everything works right, is just put some of this non-slip shelf lining stuff in there, and it should hold things in place. That's it. Have a great day. If this has helped you, please hit a thumbs up. Share this with anyone that you think could use it. Please like our videos, and hit the little subscribe button and the little bell to make sure you get all of our future videos. Thank you very much, and we will see you in the next video.